Maayong adlaw mga higala, ako si Judy. Good day friends, my name is Judy. Welcome to our Useful Everyday Phrases series. In this video, I will teach you how to say just a little in Bisaya Cebuano. Before we start, I teach Conversational Bisaya Cebuano. I will teach you words, phrases, and sentences that we use in the real conversation. Okay, now let's start. Just a little is gamay ra. Gamay ra. Let's break this down. Just is ra. Ra. And then little is gamay. Gamay. Okay, repeat after me. Gamay, gamay, ra. Gamay ra. Just a little. Now, if somebody is going to ask you if you know how to speak Bisaya, just say, if it's a little, just say, gamay ra. Gamay ra oy. You can add oy to give emphasis to it. Okay, so let's practice, okay? Kabalo ka magbisaya? Gamay ra. Gamay ra. Okay? Kabalo ka magbisaya is, do you know how to speak Bisaya? Okay? Now you know how to say just a little. Before you go, guys, I just want to share with you that we have added actual conversation in the site. And then, in the lesson tracker members page, you can send in your lesson request. If you have any requests, just send it in and we will try to prioritize your requests. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you so much for being with me. Daghang salamat ug amping kanunay. Please check out other video lessons and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!